Hi, everybody. I'm Ramzi, CEO of Droople. I'm glad to present here our telemetry solution for point of use and point of entry management. As you can see, many of those systems are in restaurants, facilities, in industrial plants, and you have to manage them as a service provider and also as a vendor. With our solution, we can provide you a telemetry solution so you can monitor the performance and also monitor the consumables of those systems in order to change them on time, meaning that you don't have to provide a water where there is a drop in terms of quality. We can actually provide water flow, usage time and cycles, hardness and pressure. All those metrics give you a fine-grained health status of your system, and then you can act on those insights and provide maintenance at the right time, avoiding the unplanned interventions. Thank you.